I think, are heading towards a more diverse and more inclusive workplace. I think especially the younger generation really wants that at work. However, we do have a lot of entrenched behaviors that are still present in the workplace, meaning that younger talent wants inclusion to be a priority, but leaders, I think, don't really take it seriously or don't understand what they mean by wanting more inclusion in the workplace. So we need to build tools and strategies for the workplace that welcome more kinds of talent, welcome women, welcome LGBTQI and allies into the workplace, people with diverse abilities or disabilities, and all kinds of talent, so that the workplace can be someplace where I feel comfortable bringing my full self to work and doing my best work. So it's going to be a long time before we reach success, but what really matters is that we're trying, however imperfectly those efforts are being tried. What I've noticed about India culture in the workplace is that gender is the main focus area, that it is a big priority to bring more women into the workplace. And what's going to be important is, just in terms of gender, that we then also shift some of the policies and practices of the workplace so that those women feel comfortable staying in the workplace and they actually have the capacity to grow and get promoted and advanced. So that will be the very important part of the equation. What I don't see India workplaces talking about are other issues of diversity, other kinds of diversity. So diversity of LGBTQI identity, diversity of disability and ability, the role of, in particular, male leaders in building more inclusive workplaces. And so diversity even of thought and style, like introversion and extroversion. So, and maybe in India it's north-south, maybe it is cultural nuances also that need to be included more proactively. So what will be important for India is to start to become a student of how it's worked well in other places, in other workforces, and in other employers, and then take what works for the Indian culture and make sure that we're just pushing as fast as we can. Because one thing I know, we cannot afford to wait to build more inclusive cultures, and it's nowhere more important than in a country like India.